Are you eating? Yeah, having some nuts? You love those things. They're so yummy.
I like.
Yeah. What's up, guys? So Samantha is at her physical therapy appointment and I'm watching the little ones. I give them snacks, they watch Blippi. It works. It's a win-win for everyone. So today's exciting. We're gonna go visit Grandma today. So we're going down there for the weekend because I'm actually helping them sell their house. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We should have a fun time, right, Hudsy? Right, Thomas? Are you excited for Pebbles and Buttercup?
We're on our way. It was a fun time getting out of the house today. It was rough.
I'm eating, by the way.
Yeah, he's eating while he's driving. I
Yeah.
just finished eating. The kids were eating peanut butter and jelly in the back.
Yep. So now we're finally on the way to Grandma's.
I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I don't.
Oh my gosh, you're here.
Hello, hello.
You got here quick.
I know.
Yeah, we did. It was quick.
There's Grandma.
Daddy, love you.
Oh, love the heart.
Are you ready, Thomas? We're here. We made it.
Oh man, you're really wet.
Are you happy?
Yeah, the weather's perfect. It's like 70 or 71.
Yeah, we want
Look.
to take him out today.
Whoops, sorry. Look at the weather. You want to?
Yeah, it is perfect.
Oh yeah.
Tomorrow, it's not going to
It
be.
might
You mean,
rain
like, take 'em
tomorrow.
around? Oh,
yes,
no.
we love your park over there.
Yeah.
So let's see the mess.
Look at all these funny.
Oh my goodness,
mess.
guys, look at this.
Tommy just cleaned it.
I literally vacuum this, like, these car seats, and these car seats always get so messy. Children are so messy. I guess they probably take after me. I'm really messy too. Watch how many bags I have to take in. Pack and play. Oh, we got the suitcase.
Say hi, Grandma.
More stuff. Protein powder, drone, kid stuff, yeah. This is like a grocery haul just for luggage. Computer bags, diaper bags, shoe bag, just more stuff. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please do it. We're a small channel trying to grow. Thanks for your help.
Do you like that, Hudsie? Did you get a juice?
You know, Hudsie comes to Grandma's and just, they get hooked up.
Yeah, they each had a packet of fruit snacks, some juice. Tommy, stop! Look at this. He wants to take pictures.
He wants to film. Thomas is like, he really wants to be a YouTuber.
Hudsie sees it.
He's like out of it. He's like, what is he getting?
Did you get a present, Thomas?
What did you get?
Whoa.
No, this kid knows.
Yeah, Hudsie was like, ugh.
Yeah, Hudsie knows, huh, Hudsie?
Set it, Thomas.
Like that. Ooh.
There you go. Look at
Yay!
sticks there. Where's the little guy? There's a little guy in there somewhere. You see that? Isn't that cute?
Are you excited, Thomas? I asked Thomas if he wanted to go on the slide. He was like, yeah, Grandpa's house. He was like, not Mommy's house, Grandpa's house. I was like, yeah, you like Grandma's house better than Mommy's house or something? I don't blame him. This is like so fun for little kids. They have all of these like little slides and play areas like all throughout the community. It's so nice. And remember I told you guys that Tommy had a little dent? So Tommy's dad got this guy to come and he is trying to get the dents out of the car. So we'll see how it looks. I'll show you guys after he's done, see if it's better. You're so sweet, Thomas.
Oh, he really wanted to come over here. He was upset.
I know. Oh, he
Oh, by the
loves
way,
it.
I'm getting my car
I
fixed
told
back
them.
there. Did you?
We'll have
yeah.
to show them because I showed them last time
He's doing
what
such
it
a
looked
good
like.
job.
Sam,
it
he
looks
rubbed down-
amazing.
he
It already
rubbed
looks.
out all
It
the
already looks
scratches.
amazing.
Oh,
The
good.
You know the
scratches,
door, all the
like-
scratches?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, all the scratches from you guys, well, me and the kids,
It's
getting
you.
the kids in and out of your car.
It's you.
Whatever.
I'm careful because it's not my car. You're
Yeah.
just like, whatever, I'm so hot, this is so annoying. Where are you going, Hudson?
It looks amazing. He's so good. Thanks, Dad.
Look at him.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die.
Are you gonna go in the Oh, there he goes. He's gonna chase the girls now.
So Thomas saw two little girls. He ran off to go.
He
talk
literally
to
just
them.
ran off all the way
Yeah,
over
and
there.
now Hudsy wants to
Oh
do
my
the same thing.
gosh. Okay, we need to have some girls. No more
We need to
boys
have
for
some
me.
a girl talk.
Take him down there.
Oh, look at him. He looked at Grandpa. He was like, oh, that's
Wow.
cute. Hudsy, did you meet some girls? Yeah?
Yeah, I keep drowning.
You don't like it? You want to go up to? You want to go to the moon?
That was high.
You want to touch the moon or the sun?
Wow, he doesn't want to. You scared him. You put him too high.
Then I don't have to do it again. I did that on purpose.
Dude, he has like,
He has an arm.
yeah. Seriously.
Look at that. He like winds it up.
You gonna be a picture like Uncle Dusty?
Not to
Don't hit-
Dusty.
not at
No! Oh, shoot. Not to Hudsy. Not to Hudsy.
Not to Hudsy.
To Daddy. That was your brother. Don't throw it at Hudsy. That's
sorry,
not funny.
Eyes, and you can tell me all of your life.
Let's see how it looks.
Yeah, nobody's gonna see it.
Yeah, come check it out.
You can
Look
see
at this.
that. But
That's
there's-
amazing.
Thank you.
And then the
Wow,
scratches are gone too. Yeah, we make little family vlogs. Yeah, you should.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
Yeah, of course, of course. Look, Tommy, they're building nests, Sam.
Wow. So these swallows, look up above, look up above.
Oh, I don't want to stand under them. Oh my goodness.
So they,
What?
so in like in Southern California, these swallows, they migrate and they actually like, what do they do? To San Juan Capistrano once a year, the swallows come and look at them, they're so cute. Wow, okay, we'll go. Later.
There you go. Bye, Daddy. I think our dinner's here.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Hey!
He had sun in his eyes a couple times.
yeah, the sun was in his eye before.
I'm glad we started at 4 because now it's like 5:15 already.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys need to
I love you.
really take advantage of that.
I love you.
I got a salmon salad right there. Yeah, it doesn't look as,
It
yeah.
looks scrub.
It's, because I flipped it over.
Thomas is going to town. He loves his pizza. I got, what did I get? Pesto penne. Hudsy, surprisingly. Oh, that's why he's not eating, because he's just having juice.
Thomas, are you in Grandma's cookie jar?
Only
I
at
think
Grandma's
so.
house.
And Hudsy finally started eating. Are you having a
He got a
cookie?
cookie too.
Yeah.
All right, Hudsy.
Love it.
You want to say goodnight?
Joining me out. Make sure to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Mwah.
Bye. Have a good night.
Say bye, Thomas.
Are you laughing?